Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to test the TV with the circuit board problem. TV turn on but no picture. But number one, check the backlight problem or the TV circuit board problem like no picture, the T-CAN board problem or the main board problem. Now I show you how to do. Now you turn on the TV. Okay, you turn on the TV. You have to click. You see the screen come on, and then you're able to touch it. You see, when you touch a little bit on the screen, when you turn it on, yeah, you're able to see the blue screen, but no picture. See, when you touch like that, you see that inside that means the backlight good. The backlight good, but TV no picture. It should be on the T-CAN board. Right here, that's the T-CAN board. See the backlight on. That means the backlight okay. But some TV you turn it on, the TV come on, but you don't see the backlight. The backlight, if you don't see the backlight on, that means the backlight problem. But this one is the backlight come on. See the backlight come on. That's the T-CAN board problem. That's why we troubleshoot. We saw that every day when you turn it on, the TV come on, but no backlight. No backlight, it means the backlight problem. Now Samsung, they got two different problems. The TV come on, okay, but you cannot see the picture. That means the backlight didn't come on. See, when I turn up it, you see the backlight come on all over, everywhere. Now the T-CAN board problem. For this, we will order the T-CAN board. Let's see the model number. This Samsung. The model number UN 55JS 8500. That's a good set. Whatever the last port number like 8000, 8005, 9000, 7000, that's a good TV. That's expensive. Depend on the last port number. That's a big number, 8500. That's a big number. Good TV. Good picture, expensive TV. That's on the back look like. They got the power supply on the right side, the left side is they call the main board. This one turn on the TV, on up the TV, control. They call the main board. And this one control for the picture, they call T-CAN. This one is the power supply. But normal, we turn on the TV. If the TV come on, we don't see the picture. And then we touch on the screen. When the screen, you see the backlight on, that means the T-CAN board. 99% ที่กันบ่ problem. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. I hope you, your guy, somebody have the same problem. But help you out. Thank you. How to diagnostic the problem. Thank you very much.